So we had a bit of a rough day. We couldn't get into Glacier National Park, which was a bit disappointing because that was a really long way to drive just to figure out we couldn't get in. But we wandered around a little bit in Kalispell, didn't really do anything. But by then it was already time to head out and look for a campground. Oh yeah, and then on top of everything else, I lost my drone this morning. So yeah, it's been a day. It's been a day. But a view like this is just nice. So, although we enjoy giving you guys super awesome cinematic adventure stuff, we also try to keep things grounded and real to show you guys the hard work that has to go into maintaining a lifestyle like this as well. And my brightness keeps jumping around because we get very sporadic cloud cover today, and it's probably also wrecking with my solar panels and what they're putting out. When the clouds come through, it dramatically drops down and I'm drawing like 50 or so watts. Can't do much about it, but we do have 2 panels, so it's better than 1. We are in southern Montana, and we just found our campsite for the night, and we got this really nice river. It's a creek, they call it, but I mean, by New Mexico standards, that's a river. I'm gonna step away over here where I can get some better audio for you guys. We are in Custer-Gallatin National Forest here in southern Montana. We are actually right on the border of Wyoming, right next to Yellowstone National Park, and that's the place we're going to be exploring tomorrow. But we figured one more night in Montana wouldn't hurt anybody, and plus we got a good spot tonight. That's the newest addition to our kit. While we were in Kalispell, we stopped at REI to get some cleats for our boots for hiking on snow, although there's a surprising lack of it around the Yellowstone area here. While we were there, we picked up a hammock and some straps and figured, why not? There's trees everywhere around here, so seemed like the thing to do. We're actually in grizzly bear country, so that's some exciting stuff. And while we were at REI, I forgot to get bear spray. I'm thankful we have a rooftop tent. Don't know how much more security that offers you against a grizzly. It's gotta be better than the guys up the road who have ground tents, so I reckon the grizzly go for them first, a little more appetizing. Anyway, we're gonna get things squared away and head off to bed. It is a nice, beautiful morning out here. It's just past 7 o'clock. We're about to break camp here and head out to Yellowstone National Park. Super excited to see that finally. I've never been there. Taylor has, so she's kind of leading the expedition on this one. We only have a few episodes left in this series, so I really hope you guys enjoy this one and the few that are left to come. Right now, we're gonna get packed up and get back on the road and get into the park. Basin, and we are currently hiking down into all of these geysers, and it is really cool actually. Alright guys, it's getting close to the end of the day. We did a little exploring of this really wonderful park here. But there is one last thing we are going to go see, and that is Old Faithful.